Hello, my dear coworker. So I'm going to show you how to make read alouds. Okay, first things first. Screencast-O-Matic, free. You get 15 minutes. That's one thing you need to learn is how much you can read in 15 minutes and adjust as necessary. Okay, so the first thing I do is I make just a generic PowerPoint of what I'm going to read. Let me pull this over here. Open. And then it's very generic. And I can adjust those as necessary. Read alouds. So Sarah Blanenthal. So this is the last one I saved. I just used this same slide and did chapters 1 through 3, chapters 4 through 7. Sometimes we're going to get to go along with the curriculum and sometimes we can't. I mean, as long as we can provide it to them. So that's what I do. And then I have this open. Okay, and then what it'll do is it'll ask me to record. It'll say 3, 2, 1, record. So then I start reading. Okay, then when I'm done reading, it will give me a prompt and it'll say save and upload. You want to save and upload. Before you do all that, you want to have a YouTube channel. And I just made one for INDLS, and I just have my Google account is A. Stevens at INDLS, and I just have all my work stuff on there. Then I have a personal one too. So your channel, you want to make sure that you have your own YouTube channel. Okay, you want to have your own YouTube channel. Okay, so it'll save, it'll upload. You also want to look out before you save and upload. There's a box, and you can edit the name of your video in that box, but you can also edit the name of your video on YouTube as well. So once it's uploaded and saved, you're gonna click on it, and then I still do the safe share, so I'm gonna copy it. And then I'm going to go to that SafeTube or Safe Share, put that link in there, generate that link, and then you're going to copy it. And then from there, you can just send it to me, and I'll input it into our newsletter. I feel like that was really quick. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I really appreciate you guys' willingness to help out with read alouds. They do take a lot of time. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm excited that you guys are a part of my team. If this wasn't clear, let me know. Once you do it a couple times, it's not too bad.